Welcome back. Today we are working on Lesson 91, Geometric Formulas. Remember that you can pause your video at any time to record what you need in your math notebook. Make sure you have your book open to Lesson 91 so that you can follow along as I go. Okay? Geometric formulas. Now remember that formulas are used to help us with procedures in math. Okay? Formulas will have letters, and then later we can replace those letters with the values that we are given. Okay? So if you are considering a square, if you want to find the perimeter of a square, you would use this formula. P equals 4S. This means perimeter is equal to 4 times the length of the side. S is for side. To find the area, we would multiply side times side, which is side squared. Okay, for a rectangle, to find the perimeter, we say 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. If we want to find area, the formula for area is length times width. Remember, when you have 2 letters next to each other, we are multiplying between them. For a parallelogram, to find the perimeter, we say 2 times the base plus 2 times the side. For area, we have to say area is equal to base times height. And remember, a base and a height always have to form a right angle. And the last one on our list is our triangle. To find the perimeter, we take the length of side 1 plus the length of side 2 plus the length of side 3. Okay? The area of a triangle, memorize this if you have not. Area equals base times height divided by 2. Okay? So make sure to get this chart in your notes. Now, when we are given information about the measures of a figure, we substitute those values in our formula. Stern misspelled substitute. Substitute those values in our formula. Okay? So if we know our formulas and then they give us measures of our figure, we can substitute those into our formula. So take this example. A rectangle has a length of 6 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. Use the formulas to find the perimeter and the area of this figure. So go ahead and pause your video and try to find the perimeter and area of this rectangle. Okay? So our formula for perimeter is 2 lengths plus 2 widths. So they told me my length was 6 and my width was 4. So instead of an L, I'm going to use 6 centimeters for the length. And instead of a W, I'm going to use 4 centimeters for the width. Multiply the 6 centimeters times 2 plus 4 centimeters times 2. And my next step, I get 12 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. Okay? If I add my 12 and 8, my final perimeter is 20 centimeters. Okay, now our formula for area is length times width. So I say my length is 6 centimeters times my width of 4 centimeters, and my final area is 24 centimeters squared. Okay, hopefully you got those correct. Go ahead and pause the video and do A and B in your practice set, and then start it up again and we will check it. Okay, A, they want us to find the area of this rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to use my area formula, length times width, and it tells me in my instructions that to substitute 8 centimeters for the length, 5 centimeters for the width. So instead of an L, I'm going to write 8 centimeters. Instead of a W, I'm going to write 5 centimeters, and I'm multiplying. So the area of that rectangle is 40 centimeters squared. Make sure you get your units right. Centimeters times centimeters gives us centimeters squared. Okay? And then B, they want the perimeter of a parallelogram. So our perimeter of the parallelogram, this should be an S, is 2 bases plus 2 times the side. Okay? So they tell us that our base is 10 centimeters and our sides are 6 centimeters. So 2 times my 10 centimeters gives me 20 centimeters, plus 2 times my 6 centimeters gives me 12 centimeters. So my final perimeter should be 32 centimeters. Okay? Hope you did well. This is the end of this video. So So you can go ahead and start on your work that's assigned for today. Have a good day. Bye.